My name is Tom Barry and I'm based here in Killavullen in North Cork in the heart of the Blackwater Valley, and I farm 600 acres. I'm married with my wife Cathy and my 3 children, Ronan, Fiona and Kevin, and the crops we grow here are winter beans, winter barley, winter wheat, winter oats, spring barley, spring oats, spring beans, cover crops and wild bird cover. We have a strong crop rotation. We introduce crops like beans. We also import an awful lot of slurries from dairy and pig farms. We are cutting down the amount of nitrogen, bagged nitrogen we use by 50%, and we're cutting down our fungicides dramatically. How we manage our slurries here on the farm was we built a very large tank to store 30 lorry loads of slurry. We test our slurries. We then can pump that slurry up to 2 kilometres to spread on the fields with umbilical cords and no damage. And even as we speak, the new equipment has NIR, which basically can tell us exactly the nutrients that's going on every inch of the field. They're satellite mapped, and we are also soil sampling every single field every single year. I do like having a spade. Check for compaction, you check for life, for humus, for earthworms, and you just see, is your soil, is it in a healthy state? We planted 20% of our farm in forestry. Where we had a pond, we planted forestry, so we made sure there would never be any pollution there. We then, for biodiversity, we planted hedgerows. So we were constantly buying approximately 1,000 quips every year. When we harvest this bean crop, we save the straw, which is herbaceous. It's a real woody straw, and we then use that straw to heat a biomass boiler which dries our grain. Growing a crop and cutting back on nutrients and cutting back on what would have been deemed essential items and being brave enough to make it happen. And that to me is everything.